Hi family, how are you guys doing? I hope life is treating you all fairly. Welcome to another protective style tutorial. And today we are going to be making individual crochet twist. The whole process is super easy. It's something you can recreate, it's something you can do yourself, so keep watching. So after taking the extension through the loop or the semi-braided hair, what you want to do is slick your natural hair down just the way I'm doing it with your shine and jam. Then divide the hair into two parts. Place your natural hair in between the extensions and twist it. It's as simple as that. I don't know if you guys understand, but since this video is really short, I will try as much as possible to show you guys the whole process again. So I am making use of an expression series to make this, and I believe expression series is the closest thing to natural hair. I used a total of 3 packs, and if you're seeing me for the very first time, I want you to know that you are not here by accident. My name is Glory and you are welcome to join the family. Do consider joining officially by subscribing, liking, leaving comments behind, sharing, and hitting on that notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I love you so much. So if you've seen my older video, you will know how I have complained of having light issues in my country, right? So I was unable to record the front parts. You see that I sectioned the hair and I braided the front, I braided the back. I just made everything very easy. If you've seen my knotless box braid video, you will see that I same thing there just to make pattern very easy for me and to make the work very fast. So when you get to the tip of the hair, you want to slick it down this way. You know the way you normally slick down your natural hair and you roll it. That's exactly what you'll be doing. Now you will see me braid the hair a little. Remember how I said this semi braided hair? You just have to braid the hair a little so your crochet hook can go in between. I don't want the scalp to be too tight, that's why I made it this way. You understand, right? So just braid it a little bit, then go in with your crochet hook, then insert your extensions, make her hair sleek or make your hair sleek with your shine and jam, then twist it. I also have a detailed tutorial on how to make braids on your natural hair without extensions or mini braids without extensions. I'll be linking them to this video and I'll be posting them in the description box, so do well to check them out. If you don't know how to braid your hair, you can just watch it and learn. There is also a tutorial on how to make crochet twist for beginners. If you're interested, I will link you to this tutorial too, so you can check it out and do it yourself. You know, this channel is all about teaching you how to make your hair, how to protect your natural hair, and so many other things that we are yet to do. So now you can come in with your crochet needle, just take it through and drag the hair, the extension you'll be using. I don't know, I didn't place my camera in the proper direction, so now you can go ahead to just twist the hair. So twist the hair, and when you get to the end of the hair, twist the ends. That's all. And that's the end of today's tutorial. Like I said, there was no light, so you can tell I collected her picture just to show you guys what it looked like, and this is the finished result. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Have a blessed week.